Yo, what up? So this video is probably going to be really quick. I got some stuff from a website called mochithings.com. It's basically kind of like a Korean stationery store. They had some really cool notebooks. They're actually vocabulary notebooks. I've never heard of that before in my whole life. I got my stuff today, so I was going to open that. Here's the goods. Now it doesn't look like a lot, but it actually is quite a lot. They've packaged this so pretty. This is actually a backpack. I got this backpack because in the fall I'm going to be going back to school on campus, my final year of college. I'm going to get a bachelor's degree in linguistics. Yeah, there's that. More packing. And just chuck that. Eat it. Look at her. Hi, Rosie. Yeah, that's the look of someone who just ran outside 5 minutes ago. You know what you did. So here's the most exciting part for me. And good luck getting this open. What's this? Oh, just a cute little sticker. Nice. I ordered a lot of different sticker sets. Here's one. Maybe too many stickers. Actually, is that even a thing? Can one really have too many? I don't think so. These are awesome. I love these. There's more stickers, but they're dots. The dots are meant for this. These are goal trackers. I got a couple. These are magnetic bookmarkers. Come out! These are the other goal trackers. I'm gonna use these for exercising, and then another one for Korean and Japanese and stuff. Got some pens. Here's the fun part. What?
What?
Timetable. Vocabulary. I may have gotten 5 of these. Yeah. Packaged so neatly, like, ugh. I'm gonna open one. I didn't drop it. You heard nothing. Ta-dang! They're numbered. They've got markers for part of speech. You can title it whatever you want. Room for example sentences. This is amazing. This is a different one though. Forget what these look like. Yes, this is just the time tracking thing. I'm just gonna keep an eye on how much I study and stuff like that too. So that's everything. Oh no, there it is. So that's it. That's all the stuff I got from Mochi Things. If you enjoyed that and want to see more stuff like that, you should subscribe. Like I said in the last video, my videos don't do as well as they used to because I went on a hiatus, so you know, comment for the algorithm, share it, anything helps. Have a good one.